In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and send a message using Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a popular tool used for communication and collaboration in workplaces and educational settings. It allows you to chat, have meetings, and share files, making it an essential platform for many teams. Whether you're new to Microsoft Teams or just looking to enhance your understanding, this guide will walk you through the simple and effective process of sending a message. Let's begin by opening Microsoft Teams. You can do this by locating the Microsoft Teams app on your device or accessing it through your web browser. If you're navigating through a browser, type in the URL and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in and have the Microsoft Teams interface open, you'll notice a variety of options on the left-hand sidebar. Among these options is the chat feature, which is what we'll be focusing on today. The chat feature in Microsoft Teams is where the magic happens when it comes to direct messaging. It's where you can have one-on-one interactions or group conversations with your colleagues and friends. To get started with sending a message, simply click on Chat in the sidebar. This will bring you to a new screen where your recent chats or ongoing conversations are displayed. If you already have an ongoing chat with the person or group you want to message, you can simply click on that conversation. If not, you'll need to start a new chat. Starting a new chat is straightforward. In the chat section, look for the icon or option that allows you to begin a new conversation. This usually looks like a pen or a speech bubble. Once you click on that, you'll be prompted to enter the name of the person or the group you'd like to chat with. Simply type in their name, and Microsoft Teams will search for them within your organization. After you've selected the recipient of your message, you'll see a text box appear at the bottom of the screen that says Type a Message. Click inside this text box and you can begin composing your message. You can type freely using your keyboard, just as you would in any other messaging platform. If you're sharing a quick update, asking a question, or even just saying hello, this is where you'll be doing that. Once you're happy with your message, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard and your message will be sent to the recipient or group you've chosen. It's as easy as that. You should receive a confirmation that your message has been delivered successfully. And there you have it. You now know how to send a message using Microsoft Teams. This is a foundational skill for effectively using the platform, and understanding it will help you stay connected and communicate efficiently with your team. As you become more familiar with Teams, you'll discover more features that can enhance your productivity and collaboration. Thanks for joining us today, and happy chatting.